So today we are having this timing chain. This is one, it is for FORZA reflex 250cc. Now I'm going to show you how to use this tool, the chain cutting tool. We are going to cut from this big chain. We are failed to source this original one, so we are going to use this chain for another motorcycle. It fits on the sprocket, so we are going to cut using this tool, and then we make it this size. You get it? Yeah, let's get started. Yeah. So we are having, this is the sprocket for the oil pump chain. Then, as you can see, the teeth are matching with the chain. Once the teeth are matching with the chain, that means that we can cut it to this size in order to make sure we get the job done. And then I'm going to take you simple steps of cutting this chain. So chain cutter has the cutting side and the joining side. The cutting side has an adjustable pin that pushes these pins out of the links. So at first we're going to remove this side of the plunger. Then we adjust it to its minimum so that it breaks the rivet, the lock here on this pin. Now we are going to use this 14mm spanner. Slowly we are going to apply less pressure as this pin moves out. Then you see it is fully out. Now we are going to adjust this pin until when it reaches the last plate, so that it doesn't remove the whole pin out. As you can see there, you can see that length, because if you don't measure it correctly, this pin can go out, then there's no way getting it in without hammering it. So you should measure correctly. Then after, you put it back in, then you tie. As you're tying, it pushes the pin out. As you can see there, now the pin is fully out. You are losing less effort. Then the chain is fully unlocked. Now what is left, we are going to count the links of this chain. Then we count them on this one, because it should be the same links. And then we cut from around here, then we join, we put back in the motorcycle, then the job will be done. So as you can see here, we are putting them near so that it can enable us to count very well. So if you count that these links, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, say 12, remaining with this one. and this back one, which means 13. We have 13 pairs here. When we get 13 times 2, we get 26, and 26 times 2, we get 52. So this chain is 52 links. We are going to also calculate from here. Then I show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get, this is 12, meaning we are going to cut the chain from here. We are going to cut the chain from here to make it 13. This one and this one, the outer links, as you can see there. We're going to cut the chain from here, then we join this piece with this one, because we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This will be the 13 one. So we are going to cut from here. You get it? We are going to use the same formula. First we push slowly, then we remove the pin fully. Yeah, this is it. So we are moving this pin, and then after I'm making it a bit longer. Again, should make sure we reach that safety length so that the pin doesn't go out. So now it is fully out. So we are remaining with this piece. Then after joining it like this, yes, we are going to count again to make sure we don't make any mistake. You get it? And I have to align our chain like this, such that we don't make any mistake. You get? Before joining it, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then these two make 13. Then we're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this one makes 13. These are the same links as this one. So we are going to join it and then put back in the bike. So we are done with the cutting side. Now we are going to the joining side. This joining side, its pin is retractable. So this pin is used to align the links in one line. Then this one is a locking side. So you put it like this, so that such that this pin from this side, it goes inside, then it align the links. Then you tie from this side with the spanner like this, such that the pin is fully pushed inside. Now, as you can see, this is where we join from, but you cannot distinguish it from from other links. We join from here.
What?
Now we are having this chain fully cut to length. We are having this piece remaining, so we can use these pieces then to make other more chains. Yeah, this is a special dedication video from my friends over there overseas, from Belarus and other countries, so you can use it as a guide to repair your scooters from that side. Subscribe to the channel then not to miss any of videos from Sweden Sound. Now let's put it back in a scooter, then we see you next time.